I want to talk about niching down. This came up in a conversation I was having, and it was brought up more about creators and people doing video creation, content creation, so to speak. I related it to a time that I thought that I was going to add remodeling into my home building business. So I build spec homes. Most of you know that if you followed me, build spec homes and custom homes at the beach. So I decided I was going to buy a enclosed trailer, fill it up, build a workshop in it, added lights and a fan and plugs and everything, had a reverse plug on the front of it that I could hook a generator to it or hook up to a power pole or whatever power source was available, and set up the inside with all of my tools and every tool known to man that you would need to do a remodel, kitchen and bath type stuff, additions, whatever. So that I could park the trailer on the job, do the remodel, have it be our home base. It didn't work out. And here's why. My business wasn't set up to expand into remodeling. And you can't just buy a trailer and expect to go out there and do remodels. There's a lot more to it than that. But anyway, stick to what you know, stick to what's working, and niche down. That's the way I related it to what I do in business. Anyway, have a good day.